Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update. A little bit cooler to wrap up the week here as we had the cold front move through yesterday. We'll feel the effects of that today. Pretty chilly this morning, and it will turn into a cool afternoon. We have a couple of different weather patterns going on, just depending on your location. One of those patterns south of I-20 will include the chance for maybe a little bit of rain this morning. You can see there's a little disturbance there that is between West Texas and Dallas, and we're just kind of on the leading edge of that. So we do expect to see maybe a few lightly scattered rain showers across the south end of the Arklatex today. As far as you folks along the I-30 corridor, we're really not seeing much out there, but watching a few dying showers that are just off to the west of Red River County. So make sure you have a jacket again this morning. Temperatures down into the 20s north of I-30. The rest of us by sunrise will likely settle into the upper 30s or low 40s. So pretty chilly morning. The wind is pretty much gone. Of course, a pretty breezy day yesterday. Winds died down overnight, and winds will be out of the east and southeast today, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so you won't have to deal with wind today, but it will stay cool, especially south of I-20, where we expect to see a little more cloud cover today. So that's why we're at 52 in Manny, Shreveport at 56, Texarkana around 55 this afternoon. Here's a look at your Robin's Hood Futurecast. It does kind of show that rainfall along and south of Interstate 20, especially through mid-morning here, but once we get into the afternoon, this will likely all wrap up for us, and we should see a little bit of a clearing. So I think by late today, we should enjoy a little bit of sunshine in most areas, and if you do have outdoor plans this evening, it will likely be dry for us. But pretty chilly night, as lows tonight will drop back down into the 30s across the region. For Saturday, a little change here. We do have a disturbance that will move through kind of middle of the day, and you can see the rain popping up there, mainly for you folks in Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe northeast Texas. I can't rule out maybe some rain in Marshall or Shreveport or as far south as Natchitoches, but it looks a little more likely that we'll see some rain tomorrow across the I-30 corridor, and then we'll clear out on Sunday. Sunday setting up to be a pretty fantastic day for us. Lows tonight, low to mid 30s. Looks like everybody will stay just above freezing tonight. And there's a look at the weekend forecast. It will stay cool again tomorrow, but Sunday, pretty fantastic day, especially if you're out there doing some football grilling during the afternoon. We should have highs in the 60s, and a look at your 7-day forecast. After the weekend, things get interesting for us. Monday should be a pretty nice day as well, but we do have a very strong Arctic cold front on the way. At some point, the timing's still up in the air, but we'll definitely feel that colder air by Wednesday, and then there's another disturbance kind of scooting in behind that that will deliver some precipitation. So the thinking now is it will be cold enough to maybe see winter mix, be it some freezing rain, some sleet, and some snow, but we are definitely on the lookout for some freezing rain next Thursday and potentially into next Friday as well. Again, the timing's a little uncertain, but just put it on your radar that we definitely could see some impactful winter weather at some point next week.